Hi, I'm Lee Schneider and I'm a conceptual artist working in the medium of photography.
I handmake and capture on camera symbolic artworks that contain hopeful messaging on challenging themes.
I wanted to give you a studio tour today so that you can see a little bit the space that I'm working in, where I'm creating my artworks, and a little bit kind of my system for creation.
So this is my studio. I'm so thankful to have a dedicated space. Prior to this, I was working in the bedroom and moving all the furniture to the side to set up my backdrop. So having this room has allowed me so much more flexibility to create different projects and handle prints for shipping. These are my two main modifiers. The Octobox 150 from Broncolor is my workhorse, creating beautifully soft yet contrasted light. This cupboard contains all my tech and paperwork. I like to have this in an enclosed space to prevent dust buildup getting into my camera and lenses as much as possible. Here you can see my old Canon 6D. I'm filming on my current camera, which is the R5. I also have an old film camera I've been meaning to test out, and a Polaroid for fun. These drawers are used to organise random bits and cables. I find clutter creatively distracting, so these allow me to keep things that create mess in the studio a bit more contained. The bottom of the cupboard has light stands, my tripod, and transport bags that are used whenever I take the studio on location. I have two paper backdrops and prefer to work on black. It creates an empty space that keeps the focus on the natural elements in my artworks.
I have a moth up on the wall above my desk, and that's the moth that I used in my Messenger series. The series was really pivotal to me kind of developing my own style and knowing the direction I wanted to go in, so I really like having it above my desk just as a reminder of where I started.
There is a regular rotation of nature elements around my studio. At the moment, a foraged badger skull from a friend and some small wonders I collected on various travels. Plants are also a staple that bring life and inspiration to the space. On the other side of the studio is a workspace and large surface for print handling and packaging, as well as my whiteboard which I use to plan out projects and timelines. These drawers contain my prints and everything needed for handling and packaging.
I have a whole collection of moths, some of which I got from an entomology student in the US who was breeding them to study, and then when they died he was preserving them. So I think that was a really cool way to get hold of some of them, and the added benefit of that is that they've lived their full lifespan, and for that reason they also have damage, and I think that that adds really a lot of extra texture and detail. I do plan on making some more YouTube content because I feel like it's a really nice way to get more engaged with the community that I have. So drop me a comment and say hello.